Bem-vindos, essa é a Bossa Nova Chocolates.
Mae siocledi Bossa Nova wedi bodoli ers 2019. Siocledi sydd yn rhydd o gluten, yn addas ar gyfer llysieuwyr, a rhai sydd yn addas ar gyfer diet vegan neu di-laeth hefyd. Mae bob tryffl yn brofiad i'w fwyta. Dyma siwrne siocledi Bossa Nova.
My name is Andrea and I'm Brazilian born, living in Wales. So I describe my chocolates as natural ingredients. They don't have any artificial flavoring or coloring. They are special treats, It's a bit larger than the normal chocolates. The passion from these type of chocolates comes from my childhood. It's fun and colorful. It's just like Brazil, it's spontaneous.
Mae Andrea wedi gwneud defnydd o gefnogaeth sydd ar gael i fusnesau bwyd a diod gan Llywodraeth Cymru. A thrwy gofrestru gyda rhaglen Cywain, fe agorwyd nifer o gyfleoedd a rhwydweithiau i Andrea i wireddu cynlluniau twf ei busnes.
The support I had from the Welsh Government Food and Drink is just amazing. To create Bossa Nova brand, the Bossa Nova design, I had support from Cywain. And from new markets perspective, what they enabled me is to show my products into consumer show, from allergy and free from to Royal Welsh to the farm shop and deli show. It enabled me to sell to a different audience. It enabled me to reach out to different consumer types like retailers, wholesalers, and food service sector. Yeah.
Yn ogystal â hyn, mae Cywain wedi gallu arwain Andrea at gymorth pellach gan brosiect Helix sy'n cael ei ddarparu gan Arloesi Bwyd Cymru a rhaglen twf Bwyd a Diod Cymru i roi gwerth masnachol i'w chynnyrch a chymorth busnes pellach.
So, for example, extending the shelf life of the products without having to add any artificial flavoring or coloring or preservatives.
Mae archrediadau yn holl bwysig i siwrne twf cwmni, gan ei fod yn arf a allai arwain cwmni i allu agor drysau at farchnadoedd newydd.
We just finished a project for HACCP and then we will move into salsa. That will allow us to reach new markets. The support I had from understanding finance, how to prepare myself for growth. I also have participated from scale-up program from Cywain. And all of these things gave me the confidence of growing the business and that I was doing the right thing.
Yn ogystal ar archrediadau diogelwch bwyd a darganfod marchnadoedd newydd, mae siocledi Bossa Nova wedi profi llwyddiant drwy ennill gwobrau penodol sydd wedi codi profil ac enw da y cynnyrch.
I think winning awards is not only a sign of recognition and accolade for the work you do, but they do boost your marketing and visibility as well as your sales. So with the Great Taste Award, we were the only dairy-free, soy-free chocolate truffle. Yeah, so recently I just won the Rising Star Award from Wales Food and Drink Awards. It recognized the efforts that I've been putting into the business and all of the work that goes around it, because it's not easy to be a small business owner. And now I can mail people and say, look, I won an award.
Mae siwrne twf busnes siocledi Bossa Nova yn dangos sut all gwmni fod yn llwyddiannus drwy wneud defnydd da o gyngor a bod yn angerddol am eu cynnyrch arbennig.
The future is looking very busy and I'm really looking forward to it.